Hey guys, I hope you're having a great day. And today's video, as you've seen already from the title, I am checking out this illuminator by Makeup Revolution. I do love Makeup Revolution. If you watch my videos, you probably know my obsession with this brand, as it's super affordable, it's cruelty-free and vegan-friendly, and every time you try something from Revolution, it's like mind-blowing good, and you think, how come is this possible for that price, you know? And to be honest, Makeup Revolution highlighters are my absolute favorite ones. I'm thinking actually to do a video maybe to show my makeup collection. If I'll do that, you'll see how many of the Makeup Revolution highlighters I have and how much I use that. Like, I'm hitting a pan on all of those. This is ridiculous. Like, I don't even touch my Anastasia once how much I love the Revolution highlighters. So I'm super excited about this Glass Black Eyes Illuminator Ultra Shine Face and Body Highlighter. So the glass skin effect look been trending for a while now. You've probably seen it everywhere, your Instagram, social media, magazines, and all. It's been a trend now for a while. I naturally have super oily skin. That's why I don't try and use the illuminating primers or foundation or setting sprays or anything like this, because I do shine a lot naturally and I don't need it. But I do love to shine in the places that I want to shine rather than my whole face. So that's why I went only for the highlighter rather than the whole collection, because that would be just pointless for my oily skin. Waste of money and waste of product and all. But if you have a dry skin, go for it and check it out. As I mentioned, I got in the color Black Eyes. Can we just talk about this holographic packaging? How beautiful is that? It's just mesmerizing. You just want to look at this to begin with. I love this black packaging. We got a big mirror, which is handy, and loads of products. So we got actually 10 grams, which is a lot. Like, I mean, you're gonna be using this for a long time. Hey, as I'm editing this video that you're watching right now, I thought I need to do some notes and update you with the situation. So when I filmed the beginning of the video and all of that, when I did this review for this highlighter, I had no clue whatsoever that in a few days time the Revolution gonna post about Manny Mua video that he did. Basically, I want to say I have no clue who Manny Mua is, but I definitely seen his pictures. I never watched his videos before. I did watch a video where he talks about Makeup Revolution Glass Illuminators. So apparently Makeup Revolution basically duped his Lunar Beauty Prism Powders. If I'm honest with you, I never even heard of a Lunar Beauty. I don't know if I'm living under a rock, but yeah, I just never heard of him, and I didn't even know that powder exists till I actually seen this post by Makeup Revolution saying that they stopped selling and they're taking off the stocks of this glass highlighters, illuminators, but apparently is the dupe. I mean, if you know Makeup Revolution, they are kind of famous for making dupes of the higher end brands, more expensive brands, and they do pretty good dupes. Like, they're just super affordable. Plus, Makeup Revolution is such a big brand itself, but if you've been like checking their products, you probably noticed that some products look very similar to famous, you know, expensive more ones, and the formula itself is like one-on-one and so on. I haven't seen or tested out the Manny Mua this Lunar Beauty Prism powder, so I can't comment on that. The only thing that I've seen from the pictures and his video is just that the packaging looks literally one-on-one. So that's the only thing. I don't know about the highlight itself, if the formula is the same, you know, if it works exactly the same. So I can't comment on any of that, but spoiler alert, this is amazing. So I'm just gonna leave you watching the rest of this video, the full review and everything. But yeah, what do you guys think? Was it fair? Like, did Makeup Revolution this time a bit break rules, like bend it a bit too far by making a dupe? Or you think they should just leave it and keep selling these? Yeah, what do you guys think? Because as I said, I didn't even know about Lunar Beauty. I never tried the highlighter. I can't comment on that. I don't know if it's any good, it's bad. For that reason, I can't make any comment. I wonder what's your opinion on this all like drama. Were we right to make a dupe, as we always do dupes? Or was a little bit, you know, step too far? What do you guys think? enjoy the rest of the video. Swatches. Let's just swatch this at first, I think. So I'm gonna use my finger for that. Oh, I love this. It just gives this natural glow. It's not like super obvious. Oh, this is amazing. Now I know why it says glass, you know? Because it does look like a glass. It's not super obvious, you know, line of the... Let's do once more. I'll just make it in a line. I'm not gonna blend this. So I took more product. Just do one line. Not gonna blend. And it still goes like a glass. You guys. Just gonna take a fan brush. Because I'm a fan of a fan brush. That was a one swipe only. One swipe only. Oh, you guys. Is this my new favorite highlighter? Very possibly, yes. That's crazy. It doesn't look like a line, it just kind of reflects the light off. It's no like you know, with some highlighters you get like a tiny pieces of glitter. This is nothing like that. It's very, I want to say powdery, but it's not powdery, but it's like super tiny particles. Like, you know, if I'm swatching on my finger, you don't see any glitter parts at all whatsoever. And that's what makes this glass effect. Gonna highlight in the middle of my lips to make it look more plumpier. So taking a small brush, I'm gonna highlight the brow arch and an eye corner. Oh my god. Guys, this literally looks like a glass. So if your skin is more on the dry side or just normal skin, you can just go and get a whole collection and have this super beautiful, you know, glowy looking skin. But as I mentioned, my skin is super oily. Like now I just did my makeup so it doesn't look as oily. It looks pretty matte because of that. And this subtle glow is just perfect because it's in a place where I want it to be rather than, you know, yeah. So this is just perfect, you guys. I think I'm convinced. It's just gonna be my new daily highlighter. A quick tip by the way, when choosing the highlighter, I used to make this mistake by getting the lightest highlighter on the market because I thought that my skin is quite light, so the lighter shade will look better. No, so if you're more like me, like this is my natural skin tone, so this shade, this black eye shade, which in a pan looks kind of dark for a highlighter. I mean, you're naturally tempted to go for lighter color because you think you need to highlight, so you go for lighter shade. But in reality, like if matching your skin color, go nearly the same tone as your skin color is, or like lighter, like a shade lighter, which is exactly what it is with this shade, you know what I mean? So then it matches you perfectly rather than looking like a white line. If you're a lighter shade than me, then go for a lighter one, or if you're darker, then go for a darker one, because this one would be meant too light for you and would be like far too obvious and all. Kind of matches skin tone, you know? Look at the color. It's kind of matching me. It's obviously slightly a bit lighter, but it's not white. You know what I mean? I am definitely convinced gonna be using this because mind blowing. I mean, just look for yourself. This looks amazing, I think. What do you guys think? I love this. Yeah, it's gonna be my new daily go-to highlighter. You're gonna see me using this. I hope you find this video helpful. If so, please don't forget to press the thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more. Honestly guys, you don't even know how much I would appreciate that if you would press that button and subscribe to our channel. And yeah, leave a comment down below. Let me know if you're already obsessed with this glass skin trend. You tried this highlighter or any other brand glass skin highlighter or setting spray or anything. Let me know what's worth to get or not, and what you would like to see next up on my channel. And I shall see you very soon. So thank you so much for watching, and bye. Have an amazing day, you guys.